How to add song in Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's video I'll show you how to add songs to your Instagram story, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to add song to our Instagram story, go ahead and then launch the Instagram application first, and once you do so, just tap on the little plus button which is at the very top of the screen. Once you tap on the plus button, first of all just select a random photo or video that you want to add. So I'll just select a random photo over here, and if I want to add song to this specific story, what I want to do is I want to just go ahead and tap on the little sticker icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the little sticker button, you'll be able to see all these sorts of various options. Now here you just have to select the option that says music. So as you can see over here, it says music, so just tap on it. As you tap on the music option, here you'll be able to see a list of all the songs. If you want to browse, you can tap on the browse option, and if you want to search for music, just tap on it to search for a custom music, and just go ahead and select any of the music that you want to add. And right over here you can choose the verse of the song as to which verse you want to add, and then here you can also select the timer, 15 seconds, 14, anywhere from 0 to you have from 5 seconds to 15 seconds. And you can also select the layout of the song. So as you can see, whether you want it to appear in an album or whether you want to appear a simple border, and then just tap on the done button, drag this to anywhere, and as long as the story is going to exist, this song is also going to be played along with that. That's all it takes to add song to Instagram story. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.